This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The receiving signal was a test for the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the west central southwest Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test for the same system of Pacific Area Message Encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threat. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG.
Perfect.